An ICP file contains pre-compiled InstallShield installation logic, the scripted instructions that drive software deployment packages. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you manage or troubleshoot these installer script files. I'll be introducing you to the true time saver at the end. This involves the correct application of a single premium ICP file inspection utility designed for broad-spectrum file support. ICP files are compiled script files generated by InstallShield, a leading Windows software installation authoring platform. They contain compiled InstallScript logic, including dialog sequences, file operations, registry modifications, and custom action code for software installation workflows. InstallShield ICP files use a proprietary compiled bytecode format generated from InstallScript source code. They are embedded within MSI packages or executed by the InstallShield runtime engine during installation to perform custom actions and drive the installation user interface. Optimal handling of the ICP format is achieved using InstallShield by Revenera. Windows might mistakenly flag the file as corrupt without specialized context. Windows may show the code, but executing it requires the matching scripting tool. The solution usually starts here. Right-click the ICP file and select Open With. Try InstallShield as your first attempt. If you don't see it, choose another application. Keep testing until the file cooperates. If your ICP file will not open yet, do not panic. Since the application couldn't handle the ICP file, we shift focus. I want you to perform these 3 essential recovery steps immediately. First, editing the source. Open the original InstallShield project ISM file in InstallShield to access and modify the InstallScript source code. Recompile the project to generate an updated ICP file. The ICP file itself cannot be directly edited as it contains compiled bytecode. Next, troubleshooting installation. If an installation fails due to ICP script errors, check the installation log file typically located in the temp directory. Enable verbose logging by running the installer with debug log, followed by a log file path to capture detailed script execution information. Finally, rebuilding the script. Open InstallShield and load the project containing the ICP script. Navigate to the InstallScript view to review and modify source code. Use build then compile to regenerate the ICP file, then rebuild the complete installation package for distribution. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.